Okay, mathematicians, I wanted to make this quick little screencast for you. It's actually my first, so hopefully it works. I assigned you something that I want to see done by tomorrow, and I got to worrying that we really didn't talk about it. I want to make sure that I give you some suggestions about how to go solving it. You know, you can use your calculator or device to make this simpler, but there's a few steps here. Our goal on this assignment, on this page, was to take one of those famous celebrities and to calculate out how many minutes it would take them to burn off each of these value meal items given a certain exercise. So let's take, for example, let's take Mr. LeBron James. Okay, I'm going to take Mr. LeBron James, who weighs in at 250 pounds, and I want to know how long it's going to take him to burn off each of these items. Well, first I needed to pick out 3 activities, and I wanted to get the ones ranging from least engaging or least exertion of self to most exertion of self. So I'm going to take sitting, biking, fast biking, and surprisingly the most exertion going to jump roping. I'll pick that one. And now, before we can do any of these boxes, we need to know how many calories per minute LeBron burns sitting. Now we know that sitting only burns off 9 thousandths of a calorie per minute. That's in general. But to figure out how many calories per minute LeBron can burn sitting, I have to multiply, just like we did together in class, the calories per minute times his weight. I'm going to multiply those two things together. And if I do that, I get 2.25 calories per minute. That's LeBron's, how much he can in particular burn sitting. Now, to figure out how long it's going to take him to burn off a Big Mac, I'm going to take the calories in a Big Mac, and I am going to divide them by the number of calories LeBron James can burn in a minute. And if I do my math right, I find out that it would take him 244 minutes to burn off a Big Mac just by sitting. So obviously you'd have to sit for a long time to burn it. Now biking fast, you can burn definitely more calories. You can burn 45 thousandths of a calorie per minute. And if I want to know how much LeBron can burn biking per minute, I would again take the calories per minute burned biking and multiply it by his weight. If I do that, I find that he can burn 11.25 calories per minute. LeBron James biking can burn over 11 calories in 1 minute. Now, if I want to know how long he'd have to bike to burn off 550 calories, again, I'm going to take the number of calories, I'm going to divide by how much he can burn per minute, and I'm going to find that LeBron only has to bike for 49 minutes to burn off a Big Mac. That's not too bad. Now, if I kept going, I would continue this pattern that I've been doing to figure out how long it would take him to burn a Big Mac jump roping. But then I'm going to continue down this chart, calculating out how long it would take for him to burn off these other items. That's your task that you need to finish. Remember, for extra credit, you could create a graph like this on yourself. I will give bonus points for anyone who does that. And hopefully this screencast has given you an example of how you might solve your homework. Thank you.